X, where's the videos?
Where are the videos? Where's the videos, man?
Where's the videos?
X, where's the videos?
Where's the videos, man?
Where's the videos? That all changes today though, because I finally bought my first camera.
Hello. How are you guys?
Your turn, Yasin.
Huh? Morning.
Where's the videos, man?
Go to Denny.
Throw back to that video where I'm like talking to those two girls in the club being like, everyone say, where's the videos? Don't show that clip, but like,
Yeah, show that clip.
I miss the Xavier Vanderpool that will record everything. We need the old Xavier Vanderpool back. He's not recording, he's not uploading enough, he's not making enough videos. He's gotta get on that. Look, guys. 3, 2, 1. Xavier needs to upload more YouTube videos. You guys suck with insane, but it's true. He needs to upload more YouTube videos. That's my boy. He's gonna be famous one day, but he's not. He doesn't start uploading. Seriously. I'm gonna upload. We need that content grind back. Where it at? I agree, bro. We need the old Xavier back.
With this camera now, it's time to lock in. More cinematic shots, better stories, more vlogs, and most importantly, more content. This is the Sony ZV-E10 Mark II paired with the Sony 11mm f1.4 lens. I could tell you about all the specs, but it's whatever.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my YouTube video. This is an unboxing video with X. So today guys, we got this thing right here. Look at that. The Sony ZV-E10 Mark II. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this camera. I've been waiting so long to get this. You know, this is one of the main reasons why I haven't been filming content. So let's see the camera. This is the first time I'm seeing the camera too. Like, I didn't even pre-order or anything. Ooh, okay. So right here. Oh my gosh. Yo. Look at this thing, bro. Nah. That's crazy. Yo, I feel like one of those. Yo, what is. You see that? You see that reflected? Yo. L. Why is it telling me L? So with this camera, I just bought the body because I didn't really like the lens that it comes with. So I also bought this thing right here. Actually, maybe I'm not supposed to show that. I bought this thing right here. Look at that. The 11mm f1.8 lens. Sony lens. It's a wide angle lens, perfect for vlogging. Yo. If it comes with bubble wrap, you know I gotta pop. Little ASMR action. Yo. This side too. Yo, shadow Mark Bennett camera crisis. Mark Bennett's camera crisis. Holy, say that 10 times fast. But if you're not nerdy like me, you'll probably be bored. Instead, let me just show you what it could do. Yeah. I'm trying to turn my thoughts into reality, and if I'm dreaming, that's just me sleeping. Time to really put in the work and put that shit out there.
Why is it so high?
wait, don't go yet.
Like I've never been on a storm.
That's it. Push me. Oh shit.
What's your language, Adriana?
Hey vlog.
I feel like a kid again.
Hey chat.
Really? That's not. That's my
park.
nose.
Yo.
Julia looks like a crackhead.
I need a witness. Gotta see him.
What does that mean? I should film this.
I'm not seeing. Say hello, Adriana.
Why are you looking at us like that?
There's literally children around here. Sorry. We outside.
Wait, we look like pygmies too.
Oh, you just made me want to throw up.
Bro, my man is shiestied up. Look at this.